Going to be changing a 2010 Volkswagen Tiguan license plate bulb to LED, or if you wanted to replace it back with OEM, this is how you do it. Lift up the tailgate, have your LED light bulb in hand, 2 Phillips, take them off, should be fairly easy. Should come off. If not, just pull it off. Take your old bulb out, put the old one in. LEDs, you might have to bend these prongs a little bit so it can fit. Some of them are dirt bolt-on, some of them you just gotta stretch it out a little bit, it'll fit. It will fit. If it doesn't, there you go. Once it's in, make sure it's facing out. As you can see, it's directional, so make sure you have it in the right way. And then you test it. Make sure you test it, because you can get pulled over if this is not working. Ready to go. That's how you do it.